like me and you purchased an R50, you're probably wondering what speed lights and what transmitters are compatible with your R50. It is a little bit different than some Canon cameras because it has the multifunction hot shoe. With the multifunction hot shoe, instead of like the 3 points that most flashes have, it has like these little ridges, which, yeah, there you can see them. So it has these little ridges instead. So in one of my previous videos where I showed you when I purchased the EL5, I let you know that there was a transmitter that you can get, which is the STE10. So I went ahead and got that transmitter, and this allows you to have off-camera flash. It also allows you to put your flash into a softbox. This EL5 specifically is meant to provide enough power or enough light to be used in a softbox. So that is also one of the points that I looked at when purchasing it. So now that we have the ST10, I'm going to show you how I set up the transmitter to be able to use the off-camera flash. So you basically just kind of go ahead and connect it onto your camera. And then you want to make sure your camera is off when you're doing this. So once it's connected to your camera, you're going to slide it completely. Now you can see it has an off and on. You want to make sure you slide it all the way to the on. So if you leave it here, like in this section, it'll stay off. So you want to make sure that is clicked all the way on. Now once you turn your camera on, you'll see that the light will turn on. In order to access the settings of it, you just press the menu button and it'll get you there. Now, what you want to make sure is that when you're in your menu settings here, that this is showing up as sender flash firing. Sender flash firing. I can't read backwards. So once it's set to that, then you know you're at the right setting. Now, what you'll want to do on your flash is you can turn on your flash. And then you're going to go to the menu on your flash and you're going to go to, I think this is spin, yeah. So you're going to spin it, make sure it's in this, and then this says receiver, okay? So once it's set to receiver, then you're good. You can pick up your camera and maybe, yeah, point and shoot. So that's how you get it to work. It's super easy. It's a nice setup, not heavy at all. You can use your camera, your flash off camera, put it on a tripod, attach a softbox to it. It gives you a lot of versatility when it comes to your lighting. So that's kind of the option that I wanted, is to just have a lot of, ways to use my lighting. I feel like sometimes on-camera flash is a little bit limiting because